Hello students of class 5th. Today we will start chapter 4, inserting objects in MS Word. So in this chapter we will learn about how to insert objects in MS Word. First we need to know what is object in MS Word. So students, any non-text element in a Word document is called an object. Non-text means not in the form of text. We can insert many different types of objects in a Word document, some of which are shown below. You can see these objects like charts, table, pictures, clip art, shapes, word art and smart art text box. But why do we insert pictures in a document? So inserting pictures in a document makes it more meaningful and attractive. We can insert pictures in a Word document from files, clip art, gallery or from some other sources such as a web page, screenshot, graphics made in other programs and so on. Okay, another we have inserting clip art images. So what is clip art? Clip art refers to ready-made pictures and symbols that can be inserted in a document. Okay, these are ready-made and symbols that can be inserted in a document. Clip art images come as integral part of the MS Office suite of application. They are applicable for use in all Office programs including MS Word. To insert a clip art image in a document, these are the following steps you have to follow. Inserting word art. The word art feature of MS Word allows us to insert artistic text in a document. We generally use word art for creating distinct looking headings. The steps to insert the word art text in a document are as follow. As you can see, inserting word art, these are some special text that you can add to word art. And here are the steps to create word art in a document. Students, on page number 40 you have given some command buttons and their functions. You have to read these commands and their functions. Now turn on page number 41 of your book. So inserting screenshots. So we can also insert screenshots in a document by using screenshot button of the insert tab. Okay, we will go through insert tab. The steps to insert a screenshot are as follow. So first is open the file whose screenshot you want to take. Here we are taking a screenshot of a paint file. Okay, so we have taken a screenshot. Second, click on the insert tab. In the illustrations group, click on the screenshot button. Third, from the main menu that appears, click on the screen clipping option. A transparent haze will cover the instant screen. As you can see, screen clipping. Okay, and fourth one is drag the pointer to cover the area you want to capture and release the mouse button. The covered area will appear in the document. Okay, you have to select the area to capture and then selected screenshot in the Word document you will take. Next is working with tables. So students, do you know what is table? A table is a grid of rectangular boxes called cells arranged in horizontal rows and vertical columns. Tables are used in a document to present information, text, numbers and pictures and so on in an organized and concise manner. So let me tell you an example of table. Okay, this is a table. Here are some columns and rows given. First is name, like second class, roll number, address. So these are cells, columns and rows. These are some steps that how to insert a table in a document. Then typing text in a table. The text is typed in a cells of a table. Okay, so we type text in a cell of a table. To type text in a cell, follow these steps. You have to follow these steps, like click in the cell where you want to type text. The cursor will appear in the cell. Start typing your text. When you reach the edge of the cell, the text will automatically wrap itself to the next line and the cell's width will increase to accommodate the extra text. And last one we have applying a table style. That how do we apply a table style? When you click in a table in Word 2010, the design and layout tab appear under the table tool on the ribbon. Okay, using the commands in these two tabs we can modify the design and structure of the table in different ways. These are some steps to create table styles in a table. First is click anywhere in a table. The design tab will appear on the ribbon. Second, select the design tab and locate the table styles. Third, click the mode drop down arrow to see all of the table styles and hover the mouse over the various styles to see a live preview. Select the desired style. The style will get applied to the table. Okay, so these are the some styles that you can follow in a table.